The Latte Panda Alpha is a powerful, versatile, single-board computer with an Intel M3 processor, an Arduino coprocessor, and a wide range of ports. The Latte Panda Alpha can adapt to many different applications. After developing several of those, the portable gaming and eGPU gaming applications, I noticed the adaptability that makes the Latte Panda Alpha so unique was also its drawback. I found myself frequently moving the board from application to application, but becoming frustrated unscrewing the board and switching cases. Couldn't there be a screwless design? Couldn't there be a universal case that moves with the Latte Panda Alpha? There is now. This is the MagClick system for the Latte Panda Alpha. The screwless design introduces slots that wrap around the board. Combined with magnets, the case assembles in seconds, no screws required. This design improves upon the Latte Panda Alpha's versatility to give your Latte Panda Alpha an adaptable case that can quickly mount to different applications, like this thin tablet-inspired design. There's even an extended version which gives you room to house your GPU and E-key to NVMe SSD adapter. And what if you could take your Latte Panda Alpha, remove a cover, attach some cables, and mount it to a dedicated GPU for a gaming boost, all without removing it from its case? And what if you wanted to take gaming on the go, a Windows 10 version of the Nintendo Switch? And this is just the beginning. This design opens up a vast range of possibilities, not just for the Latte Panda Alpha, as I expand my collection of single-board computers. So what's next? Going forward, I will release focused videos highlighting a specific set, starting with the base case. I'm still working on several of the designs you saw in this video, plus some not shown. I truly want to deliver a finished product, so thank you for your patience. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, maybe even subscribe or share this, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.